On the evening of December 10th, Bridgeport officers Salze and Rappi were patrolling the Hollow area when they stopped a speeding vehicle on Harrell Avenue for lacking a front license plate. The driver, identified as 35-year-old Felix Manuel Del Valle of Bridgeport, was found to be uninsured and acting suspiciously. During a safety pat-down, officers recovered a loaded Ruger handgun with 6 rounds of ammunition, later confirmed as stolen in 2018. Del Valle was charged with carrying a pistol without a permit, illegal possession of a firearm, theft of a firearm, failure to display license plates, and operating without insurance. His bond was set at $75,000.